Out of all primates, why are humans the only ones who walk on two legs all the time? And what does that mean for who we are today? What are primates? Primates are a group of mammals that include lemurs, monkeys, apes, and humans. They're defined by a set of physical and behavioral traits that make them different from other mammals. Some key traits include grasping hands, forward-facing eyes, and large brains. Primates are our closest living relatives. As a matter of fact, our DNA similarities with chimps and gorillas are about 98 to 99%. Humans didn't evolve from chimpanzees. Instead, humans and chimps share a common ancestor, an ancient species that lived millions of years ago and gave rise to both our lineages. Imagine a tree. The trunk is the ancient ancestor. Over time, branches grow in different directions. Humans are one branch, chimps are another. We didn't come from each other, we just share that trunk. This ancestor walked on the ground and climbed trees, and over millions of years, different traits evolved in different lineages, leading to us and to chimpanzees. Over 3.6 million years ago, in Tanzania, early humans left behind footprints. Australopithecus afarensis is believed to be the first known hominid species to walk on 2 feet. The famous fossil Lucy, discovered in Ethiopia in 1974, showed that this species walked upright but still had features for climbing like long arms. The Latoii footprints found in Tanzania in 1978 confirmed that A. afarensis walked on 2 legs. Both discoveries serve as key evidence for understanding when and how humans first became bipedal. Fossil evidence from Lucy shows that A. afarensis had limbs with proportions unlike other apes. A. afarensis had already attained forelimb proportions similar to those of modern humans but possessed hind limbs that were relatively short. This intermediate build suggests that Lucy was transitioning toward a more efficient upright walking, not yet just like us, but clearly moving in that direction. Bipedalism evolved because early human ancestors lived in hot, open grasslands instead of shady forests. But spending more time upright and exposed to the sun also meant more exposure to UV radiation. This is where skin pigmentation comes in. Darker skin evolved into equatorial regions as protected against intense UV rays. Anthropologists explain that skin color is one of the clearest examples of human adaptation, shaped by the strength of sunlight in different parts of the world. Walking upright put humans in the sun more often, which made skin color a critical evolutionary trait for survival. Just like walking upright was an evolutionary response, skin color is another adaptation shaped not by movement, but by sunlight. Skin color and bipedalism are not the only adaptations humans developed. Our brains grew larger, allowing us to invent tools, create language, and solve problems. Our bodies developed ways to stay cool, letting us run long distances and hunt under the hot sun. And our hands, freed from walking, we could build, carry, and shape the world around us. All of these adaptations work together to make us who we are today. From ordinary primates into humans. So why did humans start walking upright in the first place? The answer lies in survival. One of the earliest and most important adaptations was bipedalism, walking on 2 feet. Standing upright changed everything. Walking on two legs didn't just change how our ancestors stood, it changed how their bodies worked. As Lovejoy 1988 explains in Scientific American, Lucy's pelvis and leg bones were perfectly shaped for walking upright. So walking upright wasn't just about standing tall. Lucy's skeleton and the laterally footprints show our ancestors were already striding on 2 feet millions of years ago. Combine that with adaptations like skin color and other evolutionary traits, and you start to see how humans survived, thrived, and spread across the planet. Lucy walked upright. The laterally footprints prove it. Millions of years later, we're still walking in their footsteps, a reminder that every step tells the story of who we are.
That's right.